Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk to you on how to make a WordPress website 2014 edition. So WordPress is very popular today because there are a lot of big websites that are using this popular software WordPress. So at the end of this video, you will gain the following knowledge. Register a hosting account using HOSTGATOR. Register a domain name to namecheap.com. Install WordPress in your HostGator account and new domain. Install WordPress theme. Install plugins that will help you improve your WordPress site. Add a contact us page using a plugins. Add a post and learn the basic of SEO or search engine optimization. So we start. Go to here. So first, you need to have a hosting account using HostGator. HostGator is one of the best web hosting company that is based in Houston. So we go to their site. You can register here. You can choose hosting plans that they have. They offer 3 types of web hosting. That's starting at $3.96 per month, or the baby plan, which is 6.36% $6.36 a month, and the business plan, which is $10.36 per month. So these are their hosting accounts available. So if I were you, I suggest that you use the baby plan because of the unlimited domains. Well, you can save money here, but it can only support a single domain. You can upgrade your plan from hatchling plan to baby plan or baby plan to business plan if you want some additional. So I advise you to take a baby plan first, then afterwards you can upgrade to business plan. So we click order now. If you have a register, you can also register in. So first, under HostGator Order Wizard, you can register a new domain, or if you have already owned this domain. So either way, you can add it here, your new domain, if you want to register using them. Or later, I'm gonna show you on how to register a domain with a different company, which is the Namecheap that I've been using for the past 2 years. So I'll just leave it as I already own this domain, and then I'll just type kettlebells. Just copy it here. Kettlebells exercises videos.com. So it's available because I haven't registered. And then you choose package type. Make sure that it's baby. And the billing cycle, I want it to be 1 month. So it's right now they have 20% off, which is $7.96 a month. And why I want a 1 month billing cycle? Because I can easily switch to other hosting account or other hosting company if I don't want the services of HostGator. So I can go to other hosting company immediately without wasting my money that I paid if I choose 12 month, 6 months, or 36 months. So I just maintain a monthly billing, which is 1 month. So for the first month, it will be $7.96 a month. It's at 20% off. But we can lower this down to a 1 cent. Yeah, I can show you later on how to do that. Then I'll just choose a username, Sam Levy. Then I'll just like that. And then I'll just choose PayPal. Then fill up your name here. Just use my okay. And then I'll just choose Manitoba because that's where I live right now. And then I'll choose different email since I've been using this for my other website. So just use that. Just use wpema81@gmail.com, and then make sure to uncheck this one also. So this is the coupon code. By default, it will have a snappy coupon code. That's the 20% off here. You can so if you check, so your bill should be $9.95, and it's 20% off, so they remove $1.99, so it become the total due would be $7.96. So that's the snappy. If you change that to WP EMA coupon 994, validate, then voila, it will become 1 cent. Yeah, isn't that good? 1 cent for a month while trying the HostGator web hosting company. You can pay only 1 cent. If you don't like their services, then you can switch to another company, and that means you only spent 1 cent for your first month. So after that, the second month, it will be $9.95 for the baby plan. So not bad, right? So make sure to use WP EMA coupon 994 here. Then you validate, and then it will allow you to pay the first month 1 cent. Then I will just click I have read, and then create account. After you have created an account, HostGator will send the info to you. I will not do this because I have a hosting account already. So HostGator will send an information to your email about your hosting account. You need to save those information because they are important in the sense that there will be the link of your cPanel where you log in and manage your website, install with WordPress, and etc. And then there's the name server that you need, that name server, so that your domain name, you update your domain name with that name server. So later I can show you how to do that. So just click create account and make sure you use WP EMA coupon 994. Okay, so the email that I'm talking about is this one. So they sent me this one before. The information is the control panel, the domain that you have used if you have a domain, then your username, and then the password, and then the name servers. These one are the name servers. And then if you have any questions or comments, just send it to support@hostgator.com. This one is my old hosting account details, so my password here is not working anymore because I switched to other email, but I'm at other email account. So that's it. That's how easy it is to to register a hosting account using HostGator. So HostGator. So these are their website. Now, so after that you can log in. So we'll try to log in with my existing HostGator. So they gave me a username from that email, and then the password also from that email. Then, oh, the login is valid. What went wrong? Maybe try again. Yep. So this is the control panel of HostGator. So you have the different links. You got HostGator links, mail links. You can add email accounts for your domain. Some file, FTP, file manager, when you can upload your files to your website using their file manager. There's some logs, then there's some stats. The traffic of your website, you can check the traffic. And then security domains, so add-on domains. If you register a baby plan, you can use these add-on domains to add your additional domains that will gonna register. And then what else? uh, Quick install for the WordPress installation. Now, okay, so now you have a HostGator account already. Then we register a domain using my Namecheap. If you register your Namecheap, okay, if you register your domain name in the HostGator, then there's no need to do this because you have already registered it. When we tried, we did not register because we want to register to other company, which is the namecheap.com. Okay, so I go here and log in there. So I have this one, so I'll go to domains, and then I want these kettlebell exercise videos. So search. Okay, there it is. I can log. So it cost me 10.69 per year. So that's the kettlebell, that's the domain. So I need to pay 10.69 per year. So that's cheap, right? With a $9.95 a month hosting, that will cost you around 99 $120 a year plus 10.69, so 130 bucks per year to run a website. So that's okay, right? It's cheap. So add to cart. So they have the free Whois card, so that's good. This one means they will hide the information of the domain, so that means they cannot see your they cannot, when they go to whois.com, they will check your domain and they will not see those the information of the domain, that who owns that domain. So they can see a Namecheap property, not your. So that's good, right? So we can reduce this $10.87 price with using a coupon code. So what I usually does is just type Namecheap coupon. Then I go here, this website. So there's some coupons here. So New Year, start host VPS begins. I don't know if we can still use them, but we can try because it's for ComNet registrations or transfer. So I think we can still try. New Year coupon. Once we apply, yeah. So it went to 9.79. So the cost of the domain will be 9.79. So we go check out. Okay, just fill up the information here. It's already pre-filled because I'm an existing customer. So if you are a new customer, then you just fill up the information here, and then save and continue. Then from here, domain auto renew settings. No, I don't want to automatically renew. Enable the Whois guard. This one is free, right? So I'll just enable it. I don't want to automatically renew. Now this is the important part, name server settings. So the name server settings here, it should come from the HostGator name server that we have, which is this one. So this is the name servers that we want to use. Okay, so I'll just copy them and put it in here. Use custom so that it will point to my hosting account. Then the other one is this one, which is that. Okay, and then just save and continue. Okay, we need to pay this total of $9.79. So I'm using PayPal because it's easier for me. I don't want to use my credit card, so just check out with PayPal. We wait. Okay, I log in here. Login. Oh, maybe forgot my password for that one. Okay, just continue. It will be $9.79 for the kettlebell exercises videos.com. Okay. Alright, so it's done. I own this kettlebell exercises videos.com. So congratulations, you now know how to register a domain name using Namecheap. Now you need to add if you have an existing HostGator account, you can add this. Just like me, I have an existing account, so I need to copy my domain here and add it here. So once you log in into your HostGator panel and you want to add in a domain, you just go to domains. If you are a new customer and your domain is the one you use in your registration in HostGator.com, if you are a new customer, don't do this step because it will already be added automatically in your HostGator account. The succeeding domains that you want to add, you need to do this. But in your Namecheap, you need to provide the name server in your domain in the Namecheap. So the name servers that HostGator gave you via their email. So okay, so I need to do this, the add on domains, because I have already existing account in HostGator and I want to add a domain. So just click add on domains. I'll copy this kettlebell exercises. So new domain name would be like that. Okay, password, any password that you like, and then add domain. Wait for it to load. Okay, so HostGator, remember to use my coupon WPEMA, coupon 994. Okay, we go back. So you can check it here. I already added the kettlebell exercises videos.com. I can go back to home. Now the next step is I want to make an email account for my domain, so I can add it here. Email, under mail, email accounts, and then choose kettle videos exercises, then info. I'll just use info. Type any password that I want. Never mind if it's weak. For now, just create account and it's already created here. Now you can access it via access webmail. Okay, so I'll just click squirrel mail. Then I have a email account for my domain name that I registered here and added it here in HostGator. So now I have info@kettlebellexercisesvideos.com. This is important so that I can use that when I install WordPress. So that's it. That's how it works. HostGator and Namecheap. Add on domains, then updating your name servers, adding the domains in your HostGator, adding an email accounts. So now we can install WordPress. So in your HostGator control panel, you can install it via quick install. So in quick install, you need to check, go to WordPress. So WordPress at the left sidebar, then just click continue. So I'll just choose kettlebell exercises videos. I'll just uncheck this auto upgrade. Admin email, so this is the important one. So this is the kettlebell exercises. So this is the email, okay, that I created in HOSTGATOR control panel, and then the blog title will be kettlebell exercises videos. So admin user, I'll just create Sam Levy, then the name, first name, that one, and then click install. So look how it's easy to install it. So install, make sure that it's kettlebell exercises. Voila, there it is. Then just copy this password and username, just put it in your notepad. Okay, you can now access your admin area, which is kettlebellexercisesvideos.com/wp-admin. So hopefully it's now working, because sometimes it takes a while to populate the name server into your domain. So since I've been using Namecheap, it quickly populates the info. It will populate or activate the info in Namecheap. Well, in GoDaddy it takes around 2 hours, but in Namecheap I always experience that it's immediately updated. So, but if it's not updated, you need to go back, maybe take a break for 2 hours and then go back and access it again. So this is the login form for your WP admin. So the username that you created is Sam Levy, and then the password is this one. Okay, login. Now we have a WordPress website, 2014 edition, right? So this is the admin panel of the WordPress. So it's quite overwhelming, but when you study it, it's okay. It's easy to use. So you can access your site here, which installed the default WordPress theme for 2014. So this is the default one. I will show you on how to change that. So that's it. You can now update your website. First, I always do this in all my site. I go to general. Just this one is collection of kettlebell. So I update the tagline, exercises videos. So, and then I want it has to have a www here. I don't know, I want to have a www in all my website. So I just do that. The email address is here, and I can do like that. And then UTC, I'm from -6. Okay, so save changes. So when I log in, it has a www kettlebell exercises videos.com already here. And then I'll just copy this one, password. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is to update your profile. The admin color scheme, I want to update it to sunrise, so it will be beautiful, right? So this is the WordPress new theme, WordPress 2014 WP admin theme. They added this admin color scheme, which is nice. So I can change it to coffee, blue, or light, that I like sunrise. And then I update the password. the password because I cannot remember immediately the password that quick install gave me, the default one. So I need to create a new one that I can memorize so quickly. So right now, so I'll just go and log in here, update profile, type the new password, then we can try. Okay. Alright, so I have updated the password of my username profile. So now the next thing that you need to do is delete those default posts, but I need to update the themes. So I'll go to appearance and themes. Okay, so by default WordPress will install this theme. This is okay, but I want a more nicer theme. 2014 is nice also, but that's okay. Just wanted to install any theme that is responsive theme. Responsive. Okay, just type responsive here. Oh, or add new. I need to click add new. Sorry. Then okay, responsive themes. Alright, so I'll just choose this maybe okay, this one, catchbox. Okay, maybe we try this one. It will have a header here, some menu here, your blog post will go here, and it will have the sidebar, recent posts. Okay, so I'll show you how to make it beautiful like that. So I want to install it. Okay, so first we don't want to activate it first so that you will know how is it. So what's the difference? So when I click the visit site, so this is the default one and it's also responsive, but I don't like the default one, the 2014. I want to make it more better. So this is the responsive. Do you know what I mean? It will automatically adjust the width, the size, the menus. You'll notice that. So when you make it bigger, it will be like this. So the menu will be here, and the sidebars. But for this one, it will have the menu here, sample page, and then the sidebars will be here. So that's the responsive. It's important to have a responsive website or theme because most people now uses tablets which have smaller screen than the desktop. So when you use responsive, they can easily read your posts using their mobile phones because they can see the content immediately. Okay, so we go back to dashboard and we go back to themes. Now we will activate the new one that we added and install. So just activate it here. Okay, then we just choose color scheme. For now we make it light or maybe red. Okay, and then the default layout, you can also, you want the content on the right or on the left, so it's up to you. I'll just do the default one. Okay, so save changes. Now we can check the website with the new theme by catch theme. So this is now the site. It has a search, it has a header, this is the menu, these are the sidebar or the widget, they call it widget or the sidebar, the right sidebar, and then the content is in the left. Then you can make it responsive also. like this. So the content will always be at the top, then the menu will always be here. Okay, so that's the theme that we choose, the catch box. Now we want a page, a home page, and a contact us page. So but first we need to add some plugins that will help improve our WordPress themes. So just go to add new, and then type contact form 7, search plugins, then install now. Okay, activate plugin. So we have now the contact form. Now to contact the contact form 7, we'll create a contact us page that they can add their email name, that they can email you using your website. So we need another plugins to help us improve our WordPress site, the real simple captcha. So here we install it. Okay, activate the plugin. So we go to the settings of, after we activate the plugin, this is the real simple captcha, and then the contact form. So we go to settings, we edit the default one, we edit here. So this is the one that I'm talking about. So we generate a captcha. A captcha, that means they need to add the generated character in the image before they submit the email, or before they send the email. If they because sometimes a lot of spammers, if you don't have the captcha, they will gonna send an email to you every day. So you don't want that to happen because they are the spammers. So I'll just copy this captcha generated here, because those are annoying email. So this is important step for your contact page. All right, and then just save it here. Okay, after you save it, you copy this one, this code, and go to pages. You trust this, you delete the sample page, and you add new. Then you just put contact us, and then just paste it there. You can preview it. There you go, contact us, and it has a captcha captcha image, so they cannot send an email without filling up this one. So I'll just publish it. So if you want, you can try. So view page, if it works. So just info at kettlebell exercises videos.com. Alright, the subject is test, body is test. So when you send this, it should have an error. Yeah, so we need to type the code from the captcha and then send it. Your message was sent successfully, thanks. So let's go there, we check the squirrel mail if we have. Voila, we have the information there, and there it is from Lemuel. So this is from the messages from the contact us. Okay, so now we have kettlebell exercises videos contact us. Now we try to add a post. So this is the post here. But first we try to download some some images to make it beautiful. So we go to Pixabay. This is a free images, so you don't need to worry about the copyright issue because because the licenses of these images are public domains. You can use it anywhere without adding an attribute to the owner of the images. So we just maybe type sunset. Alright, so these are beautiful sunset. We'll just click this one. So you see this license, it's a public domain CCO. So when you go to the information about Creative Commons, you can use it anywhere without you can copy, modify, distribute, and perform the work even for commercial purposes, all without asking permission. So you can use it anywhere. Just download this. I want to download it. Okay, sunset. Yep. Now that we download it, we go back to our dashboard and add new post. So you can try sunset is beautiful. Alright, then we add the media. This is how you add. Select. We go to downloads. Okay, there's a lot of things there. Okay, click open. And then, yep, want it to be full size. Insert the post. There's the image already. When you preview it, you can have this image, this post. Preview the post. Then you can add some text. Hello. Hello. This photo is taken from Bali, Indonesia. It is a lovely place. That. So the title is Sunset is Beautiful. Then you added the photo here. Hello, this photo is taken from Bali, Indonesia. It is a lovely place. Then you can add category. So maybe travel. So category, it's a way of organizing your posts, just like folders in your computer. So for in your website, you can categorize them or organize them in a category one. So we call it category. So this one, I want it to go to travel category. So while for tags, it's the different tags, means it's just like categories also, but for tags you tag them like tagging in Facebook, but they are different terms. Maybe happy place or Indonesia travel, something like that. So it's the way you organize it also, but it's more precise. So that's how the tags work. And you can set the feature image or the thumbnail. Then you can preview it. Yeah, you have this entry was posted in travel and tag happy place Indonesia travel by you. Okay, and then there's some comment here. Then you'll just publish. So once you publish it, it will automatically, when you go to the site, it will automatically goes here. Then, so that's how the post is working. Okay, then this one we can remove the hello world. So all posts, we can delete the hello world because that's a default one. We don't want that to show into our website or blog. So now we have a nice looking website or blog, 2004 edition. So this is kettlebell exercises videos, collection of kettlebell exercises videos. So this is the post that we added. Now we want to change this sidebar. So I'm gonna introduce to you widgets. Widgets are section of your website that you can add anywhere, any part. You can add it in the footer area, main sidebar, so footer area 1, footer area 2. So in main sidebar, I don't want to add the recent comments, the categories, and the meta. I just want to add maybe tag clouds here, and I'll just type it, tag cloud. Yep. And then in the footer area 1, I will add a calendar. So just type calendar. Okay. And then in footer area 2, I put maybe categories, right? So categories, close. Then try to visit the site again. Voila, it has recent post, tag cloud, archives, and it has a calendar here already, and the categories. So that's how you create a website 2004 edition. So these are the I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial on how to make a website, on how to make a WordPress website 2014 edition. So hope you have knowledge on hosting account registration, register a domain name to namecheap.com, install WordPress, install plugins, add a contact us page, and add a post, learn the basic SEO. Yeah, the basic SEO is the one that I showed you here. This one is needed for SEO purposes, and then the tag clouds, which is an SEO purpose also. You need them. So thank you for watching my simple tutorial. Hope you like it, and hope you can make a lot of website this 2014. Thank you very much and have a good day.